What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. To that Slowzy51. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends. Today we got another package from Extreme Online Store. So these will be going on the C7 Corvette. So we have the Vet right here. So what we got today is we got the rear fender flares. These will be going on the back of the C7 Corvette. So here's a quick look at them. These are painted in carbon flash, so it has a nice sparkle finish to them, like that metallic black. So these do match the rest of the car. These are very similar to the ones that go on the front. So we do have the painted carbon flash front fender flares, and these will be, they complement each other by having the rear ones now. So these are gonna go right here, paired in the rear, as well as the extension to them. So I think they're gonna look really good. I am planning on getting some new wheels, so we're gonna be getting I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna be getting some carbon flash black wheels, and they will be wider. I will be getting a bigger tire in the back and bigger wheel, as well as the front. So we run 265 in front, 305 in the back. So yeah, once I get the fitment going on, it's gonna look really good. So yeah, so these are the Extreme Online. We're gonna do a quick install, and yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, so Extreme Online does provide 3M double-sided tape. So that will be you're gonna lay the tape across along the side right here, and as well as you're gonna take off the OEM screws. I believe they're T10s. So you're gonna take off the T10 screws, and then you're gonna tape it along the side of the inside of the fender wheel well, and then on the top you're gonna put the 3M tape as well. So we'll do a step-by-step installation, how we're gonna go about the process of installing the back fender flares. So I just prepped it with alcohol, and I wiped it down. So I already wiped that down just to prep it for the 3M tape. So what you're going to need is a T10, the size of T10, and there's 3 screws, but we're only going to take off 2. So we have this bottom one right here, this middle one, and this top one. But we're only going to take off this middle one and this bottom one. That's the way the fender flare will sit. The flare is going to sit, so only the top 2 we're going to take off. So 1, 2. So we're going to take that off with the size T10. And yeah, so I'm going to start taking these off. Alright guys, so here's a quick look at the flares. So this is there's a little knob right here that's going to be inserted. This will be inserted on top of it. And that's how the flares are going to sit. So this edge right here, this is where I'm going to put this is where it's going to rest onto the actual body of the car. But the inside of it is where I'm going to put the 3M tape. Come see like the markings where you put the tape. So I put the 3M tape along right there, as well as along right here. So what I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol real quick, and I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol real quick, and then put the 3M tape over it. I don't know if you can see it. See those clips? So that's gonna clip onto the inside of the wheel well, like where the actual paint is at, the fiberglass of the paint. This is gonna clip onto it from the inside going out, as well as being supported by the 3M tape. So we are gonna put that double-sided tape, and it should be supported. And I'm gonna be putting on the tape right here, so I'm gonna just line it up across the edge. As you can see, so I put the tape right there, just right before the edge, so you won't see as much. So I'm gonna put it as well as right here, the inside of that. So just so you can see the clip can hook on, I'm put more 3M tape along that side right there. Put it right there. I'm just go along the. Now this is some really good tape, so once it's on there, be careful. So you put some tape, right? So we got the tape lined up. Yeah, that looks good. So you got the tape all lined up right there. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, so we finished masking up the tape, or installing the tape, the 3M tape. So the way these are gonna go, I put 2 layers here because it's gonna be the inside of the car. You won't see the tape, and there's some grooves on there that you could line up the tape with. So I hope I did a good job where you won't see the tape once it's installed. But I know at this side I gave myself enough room so you won't see the tape. So these will hook on like that, and they'll be lined up like that. So then you got the two T10 screws and the tape, so it should be holding on pretty good. I'll probably put some more right here just to put an extra layer. You won't. I know you won't be able to see that. You're only gonna see this edge right here, and it's about half an inch thickness or wider of the car. Right here is about an inch and a half. So it should look really good. So we're gonna go ahead and install these on the car, and we're gonna go through the process of it. All right. So now we have the flares right here. So there's like a little mock-up of what they're gonna look like. So take a look. That's without them. So keep in mind I will be getting wider wheels, so it should make it look a bit more flush. So this is about like inch and a half wider from right here. Then once you get to actual flares, about I'll say half an inch wider. Um, so yeah, let's see how it looks. Let's see how it comes out. So I'm just do a little mock-up real quick. So this is what it will look with the screws on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take off the 3M tape, and I'm gonna glue it on there. We took the wrapper off. Okay, so now I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna put the screws on just to mock it up. Let's see how this screw lines up. Alright, this screw lined up too. How's it look? Does that look flush? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we got those. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna hand tighten the T10s just a little bit. Tighten right there. So there's still enough room to put the next one on. So now this next one is going to with these clips, it's gonna slide in right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. That's where it's going to slide in. So it's gonna lock in right there with those clips. So with these right here, that's gonna slide in and lock it in. With the 3M tape, it should be holding on pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this tape off. Now we're just gonna put them in, lock it in place. Okay, so just give it a little tug. All right, so I was able to get it. It is a two-piece thing, so this is where like this gap is, but I don't mind it because this is where the panel gap is at. So it looks really good. It's on there good. This is on there really good. Once it's clipped on and with the 3M tape, it's on there good. So I'm gonna just finish hand tightening the two screws. So I'm gonna finish hand tightening them as well as this right here, someone. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-tighten them. And yeah, so this is pretty much the look of it. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks really, really good. Yeah, that looks good. Let's look at the other side. This is the side without it. I like it. Picasso. Damn. So yeah, it makes it look a lot wider. Way wider than your average Stingray. So yeah, so these are from Extreme Online Store. Wow. They look really, really good. So now I gotta once I get bigger wheels and bigger tires, meatier tires, it will look good, but I like it. Complements the car really good. Alright, so I just finished installing both sides of the car. So this is how it looks like. I feel like it didn't needed it. It doesn't look as naked anymore. So these are the back fender flares, painted in carbon flash. So they came out really good. The only thing is probably because this is Stingray, I did need to pop this one out, but I will be getting the extra large, the XL. So these are plastics. So I will be getting them in carbon flash. So hopefully get the Extreme Online XL carbon flash fender or mud flaps. I mean, so yeah, once I get those mud flaps with the paired with the flares, they will look really good. And also once I get the new wheels, so I will be getting new wheels. I will be getting a 20 by 11 inch wheel. These are currently 20 by 10, so that 1 inch difference should make it a lot more flush. And as well as getting a bigger tire. So I am running a 285, the Michelin 285. These are 285 30/20, so I'll be going to a 305 30/20. I'm not sure if I can run a 35, but I'll play it safe and I go 305 30/20. And yeah, that's how they look. I'll leave the link in the description. So just a quick walk around on the car. So everything else that's on the card is from Extreme Online. So we do have the ZR1 ZTK style wing in carbon fiber. So we have the carbon fiber. We also got the diffuser fins from Extreme Online. We got the flares. We got the side skirts. We got the front fender flares from Extreme Online. We got the ZR1 stage 3.5 front splitter. Look at that. Damn, this thing looks nice. It looks way better in person. We also got the Z06 style air vents in the back. Way aggressive. Let me stand back so you can see it. So yeah, this is on a C7 Corvette Stingray Z51 package. So this is with full aero kit all over it. I did get my E85 kit installed like 2-3 days ago. So I will be running E soon. I also got some Extreme Online store long tube headers and X pipe coming as well. The only thing is the X pipe is on back order, so I do have to wait on that. So yeah, so it should be a full bolt on. I will also be getting the LT5 throttle body, and I'm thinking of going with either the Corsa color intake or the AFE intake. But yeah, once I get all that in, we'll be getting a dyno. We'll be posting the dyno tune and showing and comparing the numbers. Comment what you guys think, what I should add, what I should delete. Yeah, just let me know what everyone thinks. Tell me what you're trying to see. This is a 7-speed manual. 7-speed manual. I also got where are my keys at? Alright, so I found my keys. So I also have the red seat covers from Extreme Online. So these are the red and black versions. Holding up really good. Let me get this out the way. This is the charger. So you do got the red and black seat covers from Extreme Online. This is how the interior is looking right now. But yeah, let me know what everyone thinks. Let me see. Comment down below what kind of content you guys are trying to see. See what kind of videos you guys are looking forward to. But yeah, look at this. Looks way better. Looks way better having those. Look at that. See if I can zoom in on that. So it does look much wider. So yeah, once I get those wheels, it will fit in. You see. But yeah, and so yeah, this will be the end of the video. Still have the car behind me. So yeah, you can pick those up from Extreme Online store. You can also get the seat cover, some custom interior, and the rest of the aero kit I mentioned in the video is also from Extreme Online store. So yeah, I also have a 5th gen Camaro with the 6th gen front facelift, as well as the Z01 side skirts that are from Extreme Online as well. So if you want to see some more videos on that, you could comment down below if you want to do a walk around on the Camaro. Let me know what everyone wants to see. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It goes a long ways. My last video I uploaded, I was probably around like 500-600 subscribers, and I passed 2,000. So we passed 2,000 subscribers in a matter of a couple weeks. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time on the next video. Peace.